Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Walton County in North Central Georgia, Newton County in North Central Georgia, until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:32 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Brick Store, or near Covington, moving northeast at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Covington, Social Circle, Oxford, Porterdale, Mansfield, Almond, Starsville, Brick Store, and Rocky Plains. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. Significant weather advisory.